Maharaja Gulab Singh was the founder of the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir and the first ruler of the Dogra dynasty. His story is one of bravery, diplomacy, and strategic leadership. He not only unified the region but also laid the foundation of one of the most significant princely states in British India. Early life and military service. Gulab Singh was born on 21 October 1792 into the Jammu Rajput dynasty, which belonged to the Dogra community. Recognized for his military skills and leadership, he soon became an important figure in the army of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the ruler of the Sikh Empire. Rising star in the Sikh army. In the 1810s, Gulab Singh joined Maharaja Ranjit Singh's army. Due to his military prowess and strategic mind, he quickly earned Ranjit Singh's trust. In 1820, Ranjit Singh appointed him as the governor of Jammu. Gulab Singh not only consolidated Jammu but also expanded his control over Ladakh, Baltistan, and Gilgit, further strengthening his influence. Control over Kashmir and the Treaty of Amritsar. After the First Anglo-Sikh War, the British East India Company and the Sikh Empire signed the Treaty of Lahore. As part of this treaty, the Sikhs had to cede several territories to the British, including Kashmir. The Treaty of Amritsar, 16th March 1846. The British took control of Kashmir and decided to sell it for 7.5 million rupees. Gulab Singh, already the ruler of Jammu and Ladakh, recognized this as a golden opportunity and negotiated with the British. On 16th March 1846, the Treaty of Amritsar was signed, officially making Maharaja Gulab Singh the ruler of Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, and Gilgit. This treaty marked the foundation of the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, which became one of the largest princely states in British India. Rule and administration. Maharaja Gulab Singh was known for his efficient administration, military reforms, and diplomatic policies. Administrative reforms. He established a structured administrative system in Jammu and Kashmir, improved taxation policies, and strengthened the military. Promoted religious tolerance, ensuring stability among Hindus and Muslims. Military and security measures. He fortified the borders and built strategic forts. Maintained a balanced relationship with the British and the Afghans, avoiding unnecessary conflicts. Final years and legacy. In 1856, Maharaja Gulab Singh abdicated the throne in favor of his son, Ranbir Singh, and retired from active politics. He passed away in 1857. After his death, the Dogra dynasty continued to rule Jammu and Kashmir for nearly a century. Legacy of Maharaja Gulab Singh. He unified Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, and Gilgit, creating one of the most significant princely states in India. His diplomatic skills and strategic vision ensured the stability of his kingdom. The Dogra dynasty, which he founded, remained in power until 1947. Maharaja Gulab Singh was not just a king, he was a visionary leader, skilled administrator, and brilliant strategist. His legacy remains an integral part of Jammu and Kashmir's history, and he is still remembered as the architect of the state.